Welcome to Wonton Wednesday. We are going to do a different wonton every Wednesday by your guys' request. So, which ones we have set up? We're going to do a chicken cordon bleu. We're going to do a French onion. We're going to do a breakfast wonton. We're going to do an Asian shiitake mushroom wonton. I love Wonton Wednesdays every Wednesday in the month of August. You can check in our story, we'll play it, and we'll do it on the IGTV as well. Let's make some wontons. Okay, so the first wonton we're gonna do was requested. It's a shiitake Asian feel wonton. So it's all in the prep, and I'm gonna make the filling first. So here, we just diced up some shiitake mushrooms. In here we have water chestnuts, some scallions, some red bell pepper. We have some fish sauce, sesame oil, and ginger powder. Here's soy, a little agave, some eggs, and obviously our wonton skins. So this is not only going to make the filling, but we're also going to make a dipping sauce. Pans are hot. I used a little bit of the sesame oil in them, and just to make it easier, I'm going to divide it. So I put the shiitake mushrooms on in here to get them sauteed. A little bit of ground ginger, and we're going to have the peppers as well. Red bell peppers. I want to cook this to be kind of an al dente. I don't want it super mushy because once we put them in the wontons, remember they're going to get fried. So we want it to have a nice bite still and fill the vegetables. Let's stir fry. But I don't have a wok. You can get a wok. I could do really easy cooking. We do a lot of Asian food actually, so it'd be worth it. Alrighty, I combined everything in one pan. I'm going to take a little bit of soy just to the glaze. And then we're going to take this off the heat to add water chestnuts and scallions to make us, finish. Alright, taking the filling now. Going to let it cool, but we are going to add in, I took water chestnuts, the sliced ones in the can, drained them, and I just gave them a rough chop. And we're going to put a nice handful of scallions in. Now I'm not going to use salt because I did use soy sauce in the filling, and it's also going to have a soy sauce dipping sauce. I said sauce a lot there. Sauce. So I beat 2 eggs in here, and now that the filling is cold, I'm going to add the egg and toss it together before we start our wontons. Alright, time to stuff our wontons. So we have our filling. Keeping the wontons in a damp paper towel helps them stay nice and moist. A little bit of flour, and you're going to scoop it right in the middle. We're going to pinch them closed, and at the end we will have a little wonton like this. We flour the pan because we're going to throw these in the freezer and get them frozen before we fry them. That really helps with the filling and staying nice and crispy. Alright, as we fill the wontons, they're sitting in the freezer right now. We're going to make a dipping sauce. So I use a little bit of soy, super easy, anyone can do this. A lot of scallions, I cut them on a bias so it looks fancy. A little rice wine vinegar, and this is agave. You can use honey if you'd like, but I actually like honey as the consistency better. Whisking it together. And then I toasted some sesame seeds, and they're going to have this little garnish. We put this in a bowl. Once the wontons are fried up, we have a dipping sauce. So I took these out of the freezer. These are our Asian wontons. We let them flash freeze. Our fryer's at 350. I'm going to drop these down. I'm going to get a set of tongs, so as they start to come to the surface, I can turn them to get golden brown on all different sides, on all the sides. I just use a set of tongs to kind of poke them around and slightly turn them over so they cook nice and evenly. Our first wonton out of the fryer. This is the Asian one that we did today with the shiitake mushrooms, steaming hot. So this is the soy ginger. You can make this ahead of time and keep it in the fridge. Ooh, it's pretty good. A little salty because I dipped a little extra soy sauce on it, but it came out delicious.